Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to give you the specs comparison, what you need to know regards the Bravia X90L comparing to the Bravia 7. Now the first thing is the price. So the price, the difference is really huge, and I'm just going to make it like really short. If you're gonna see the Bravia 7, let's say you're gonna have a Prime Day on Amazon or something, and you're going to find it much cheaper, the Bravia 7 is the way. So here I'm just going to show you. So this is like one of the best comparison sites on the reviews, the ratings.com. I absolutely love it. And when you're going to look here, so the mixed usage is going to be 8.4 on both. The TV shows the same, sports the same, the video games better, the HDR movies better, the HDR gaming better, PC monitor similar. Now when we are going to look here, I'm just going to remove my camera, and I just really like these pictures here. And you see clearly right here that the quality is better. Also here, like the colors are more bright, I would even say. So in this regard, I would say that just if you're gonna find the Bravia 7 in discount, that's the way to go. I mean, you're not going to make a mistake in both if you're gonna choose them, but there is just this thing that you can see right here. Look at this. Smoothing there, right there. Also here. So yeah, for me the Bravia 7 is the key, but I just want to make this quick video, and I hope it helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.